Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School, Vasai. Myself Shikta Pethe, French teacher. This is a reteaching video part 2 for standard 8. So let's begin. Moving on to the part 2 video. Now question number 6. Mete au pluriel. Il ne peut pas marcher. Now you have to put this sentence into a plural form. So il becomes il, ne remains the same. Per. Now according to this is a pouvoir verb. So il pouvoir will be perv, pa will remain the same, and marcher. Since marcher will not be conjugated as it is the second verb in the sentence, you have to conjugate the first verb, that is the pouvoir, perv. Le boulanger fait du pain. Now here the le will become le, boulanger with s, fait as a le, boulanger, it is in the plural form. So it is ils, and according to that, for, faire, part is for, plural of du pain is des pains. Le train s'arrête ici. Le train become le train, and s'arrête according to the er verb. S'arrêter is the verb, and it is le train, so plural form. So as we know, plural form, the regular verb changes to ent. So le train s'arrête ici. Ici is here, so you are not going to make this plural. Je ne m'occupe pas de mon travail. Now je become nous, since it is m'occupe. It is a reflexive verb. So how are you going to put this? See here, students, there is a slight change. It is nous I have given. So you just have to put the nous ne nous occupons pas. Got it? De nos travaux. Got it? So, because it is a negative sentence, so it will be nous ne nous occupons pas de nos travaux. Travail is when it comes to plural form, it becomes travaux. Tu dois terminer tes devoirs à l'heure. Now tu becomes vous according to the this is a devoir verb, so vous becomes devez. Terminer is the second verb in the sentence. You are not going to conjugate this. It will remain the infinitive verb. Te become wo, because we are changing the subject to vous. So it will be vos devoirs à l'heure. À l'heure is on time, so that will not be the what we say plural. Now this is the activity. You have to find out the voyez les images et trouver les verbes qui correspondent. Now here all verbs. For example, see, I'll show you the first part, that is the se promene. So you can find out over here it is rire. So there are many verbs, you can find it out from this grill. Okay. Now next question number 8. Répondez aux questions suivantes. À quelle heure vas-tu à l'école? Now as I told you, whenever there is tu form, you have to mention and you are responding, so it becomes je. Je vais à l'école à 6h30, that is 6:30. Quelle est ta profession? Quelle est la profession de ton père? Means what does your father do? Mon père est médecin. This is just a general what we say, the profession I have put in. If you want to, like for example, if he is a professor, you can put professor. Medsa is a doctor. Okay, engineer for engineer. Clear? So it's up to you. Que fait ta mère? That means what does your mother do? Ma mère est femme au foyer. Femme au foyer is the homemaker. Now this is again a general sentence I have given. You all again can put according to the profession of your mother. For example, if she is a teacher, you can put it as institutrice, professeur. Got it? Que prends-tu au petit déjeuner? What do you take or what do you have for your breakfast? Je prends du pain avec du beurre. I take some bread with some butter et du lait and some milk. Quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? Anniversaire means the birthday. Okay, so here you have to put the birth date. Mon anniversaire est. Now whenever you put the date, okay, so it will be always accompanied with le, meaning the. Now as it is like 18 March I have given, so it is this with March. So before that you have to put the le, and you all can write your birth date over here. Now this part is omitted. Mete ordre. Now here to put the things in the order. How are you going to put this? Always remember, you have to start with any of the subject or with the article, then the any of the noun, then followed by a verb. Got it? And so on. For example, here see, what you can see, Paul is there as a subject, so you can take the Paul. Now you have to search for the verb. Now here it is given as the reflexive verb. So Paul se lève tard toujours. Okay, so it's very easy to form the sentence here. Bien il avec s'amuse nous. Now here there are two subject pronoun, for example il and nous. So how are you going to look at this? You have to search for both verbs. Like il, is there a verb? Yes, there is a verb for il s'amuse, and nous there is no verb, so you have to put the il in the front place. That is il s'amuse bien avec nous, means they have fun with us. Une ave montre vous, it's very easy. Again the vous avez une montre. Next, les allez à s'habiller enfant pour l'école. Now you have to find out, as I told you, there is an article as well as the subject. So you have to see les enfants s'habiller, because here what happens now, there is again two nouns here, l'école as well as the enfant. So the l'école, there won't be conjugation for habiller, since it is like a reflexive verb, and you have to find out the ent verb. So that is for the enfant, so it is les enfants s'habillent pour aller à l'école, means they get dressed up for going to the school. Après je me couche 11h, so the subject je me couche à 11h. Clear? Now corrigez les faux, je te repose après le repas. Now since the subject here is je, so what is the reflexive pronoun for je? It becomes je me, and repose will remain repose, because it is a er verb. So there is also correction, te is also a correction, and après le repas will remain the same. Les élèves apportent leur cahier. Now here les élèves, so apportent is for nous form, so nous you are not going to put in, you have to put for les élèves, and ent will be the, because élèves comes in the plural form, so ent, les élèves apportent leur cahier. Ma oncle prend des médicaments. Now ma oncle, it doesn't happen, yes or no, because oncle is masculine, so you have to make it as possessive masculine. Mon oncle now prend.